I want to share with you this cash flow dashboard that I built and I sell on Etsy and also on my website. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description. If you purchase this on my website, you get a 10% discount. So if you look at this cash flow dashboard here, you can see that it display various information. So the cool thing about this cash flow is that you can pick from various months. So let's say any month that you pick, right? The data will display information for that month. So where it's getting all this data is coming from this cash flow statement here. So this is a monthly cash flow. Basically, what you can do is you can edit all these description according to your business needs, right? So you have cash coming in. So these are the cash receipt section. So these are operating, investing, financing, and these are cash paid out. These are all your your costs basically. So these are your costs of goods sold, your operating expenses, your investing activities, payment that you made for investing related, and then payment that you made relating to financing activities. And this would be towards like paying back loans, okay, or interest payment. So the cool thing about this is that you can pick any year or any month you want to work with. So let's say you want to pick year 2031. You can see all these month here and year. It updates to the year that you pick here. So you can have a different start month than January. Say your company starts in June, right? You have a June starting year. So you can put this as June. You can select this as June. But if you start on a calendar year, you can select this as January. So you can see it's pretty cool. And then here you can just enter in all of your data for the month. And here you can also enter in your beginning cash balance. And then this cash flow here would automatically calculate your ending cash balance and it roll over the beginning balance for the next month. Okay, and then from there it just takes this data and display the information visually for you. So sometimes you can see NA here. That's because it doesn't have the data for the year. So for example, you see we pick August 2030, but what we have here, over here, all the data is for 2031. So it just means that it can't find that value. So if you update the year and the month, just make sure in the dashboard you update the year and the month as well, right? You can see. All right. So it's a very nice looking dashboard. So if you're interested in this dashboard, please check it out. It can help you stay on track of keeping track of your cash flow for your business. So thank you so much for watching.